Hello students, now we are going to start our new exercise 5I. So before starting, as you know that you have to learn the table of 8, then you can do the questions, all the questions very nicely. Okay, so first learn the question, then you can start doing the problems. Now we are going to start our first question number 1. Count by 8s from 8 to 80, then count backward by 8s from 80 to 8. So we will start our first. 8 1 are 8, 8 2 are 16, 8 24, 8 4 are 32, 8 5 are 40, 8 6 are 48, 8 7 are 56, 8 8 are 64, 8 9 are 72, and 8 10 are 80. Okay, now you will do start same question. Now you will do question same as it is from the backward. So we can write here 8 1s are 8. Count and write always. Okay, don't see and write like this. Count each number by its table, then write. Okay, 8 1s are 8, 8 2 are 16, 8 3 are 24, 8 4 are 32, 8 5 8 6 are 48, 8 7 are 56, 8 8 are 64, 8 9 are 72, and 8 8 10 and 8 10 are 80. So your table is written in this form. Write very nicely and neatly. Okay, write and make the boxes very properly and write table in it. Now we will start question number 2. Fill in the blanks. You have to just count the table and write the answer. Okay, 10 8s are. So everybody knows the table of 10. They can write very nicely. 8 10s are is 80. Okay, 7 8s are. So count the table and write 7 8s are will be how much? 56. 0 8s are. So 0 multiplied by any number, so the answer will be 0. Okay, so this question is done. Now we will start our question number. So now we will start our question number 3. So same question you have done before also in previous exercises. Complete the multiplication table. Okay, we have to count the table of 8 and write the table in the blanks. We will count the table. 8 zeros are will be 0, 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48, 8 7s are 56, 8 8s are 64, and 8 9s are 72. It's written, and 8 10s are 80. So your table is done. So do it just like this. Okay, make the circle and write the numbers in the given blank. Okay, same as it is you have to do this question. Now we are going to start next question. Question number: Manju colors 8 pages of the book on each day. So how many pages will she have colored in 9 days? So Manju colors 8 pages, means she has a drawing book. She colors 8 pages in one day. So in one day she colors how many pages? 8 pages. Okay, so in 9 days how many? So in one day she colors 8 days. So in 9 days how many? 8 into 9. So the answer will be 8 9s are 72. Okay, so we shall write here. We will write here 9. We will write here 9 multiplied by 8 equals to 72 pages. Okay, write answer like this. Okay, so in 9 days she will color 72 pages. Okay, daily she colored the pages 8 pages. So in 9 days she will color 72 pages. Now we are going to start our new exercise 5J. So before it you have to learn the table of 9 and then you have to start the exercise and then you can do the questions very easily. So same as it is you have done before, you have to write the table in the given boxes. So count the table of 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 sixes are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81 and 9 tens are 90. Same as it is. Same now you have to write from the backward. Write from here. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. So we will start. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 sixes are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81 and 9 tens are 90. Okay, so you have to write the table in the similar form. Now next question number 2. Now question number 2, find the product. So in this question you have to multiply 9 by the given number. This question you have done in the previous exercise also. So same here we have to multiply the given number 9 in the 4, 0 and 6. Okay, so here see 9 fours are, the answer is given 36. Okay, 9 multiplied by 4 means 9 fours are 36. Now 9 multiplied by 0 is 9 zeros are 0. Then 9 multiplied by 6, 9 sixes are 54. So your answer is here. Okay, now here also 9 fives are 9 multiplied by 5, 9 fives are 45. 9 multiplied by 3, 9 threes are 27. 9 multiplied by 7, 9 sevens are 63. Okay, now here 9 8, 9 multiplied by 8, 9 eights are 72, 9 ones are 9 and 9 nines are 81. So in this question, okay, you have to multiply the given number 9 in the each number and write the answer in front. Now see question number 3. There are 9 plants in each garden bed. So there are 9 plants in each garden bed. How many plants are there in 8 garden beds? Okay, so each means one garden bed. So we have to for understanding we can do one garden bed has 9 plants. So 8 garden beds will be 9 into 8. Okay, each is given means in 1. Okay, in one garden bed are 9 plants. So in 8 garden beds how many will be there? So we will write here 8 nines are how much? 72. There will be 72 plants. Okay, there will be 72 plants. You can write here plants. So your answer will be 72 plants in 8 garden beds. Now next question. There are 9 grapes in each bunch. In one bunch of grape there is 9 grapes. So how many bunches are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so how many grapes are there in 6 bunches? So 6 bunches. So in one bunch how many are there? 9 grapes. So in one bunch there are 9 grapes. So in 6 bunches of grapes there will be 9 multiplied by 6. Okay, we will write here like this, and your answer will be 9 6 54 grapes. So 9 6 54. So your answer will be 54 grapes. In 6 bunches there will be 54 grapes. So your exercise is finished here. So do the questions, every question very neatly and properly in your copy.